A very good morning, students. I am Chartered Accountant Yashwant Lathore from Lathore Academy. I am here to discuss how we conduct CA Foundation program for our students. So, I want to take few of your precious minutes to explain exactly how this classroom works. What I am about to share is not just about a policy, it's a system. And if you understand the system, you will know precisely what to do to succeed. So, we follow 7 methods, 7 streams, 7 pillars, what we can also say. So, first being the study material support. Second being, we have a very limited batch, small batches. And third, case study approach. Fourth one-on-one personal attention with the students. And another one is daily LMS test in our own application, and we conduct written mock tests, and we inculcate students a skeptical approach in their studies. So let us understand each segment or each pillar first. First, study material support. Every concept we cover comes with the structured notes. Examples, resources. These aren't just shortcuts, these are scaffolding like materials for constructing a building. So please use them to build your understanding and not for replacement as a thinking point of view. Another pillar what we were focusing on is to one-to-one personal attention. Like since it's our small batch, it helps us to focus on individual students. So that's by design. So there is nowhere to hide, and that's a good thing that you cannot say that I did not understand, because since it's a small batch, we will try to cover each and every student. So you will get personal corrections and targeted feedbacks that large classrooms generally fail to give such services. And another pillar is the case study approach. See, this is where the most coaching classes stop short and where we go further. Every major concept we teach will be anchored to a real case scenario. So not a made up textbook examples, but the kind of situation that actually appears in the exams and in practice. So why does this matter? Students will have this doubt. Why does this matter? See, because in the exam hall, ICA does not ask you define a particular aspect. They give you a scenario and ask you to solve this. If you have only memorized the definition, you will stall. So, if you have worked through a case study, your brain already knows the path. So, every topic we teach have to follow this pattern. The concept, the real case scenario, the exam question, and a student's point of view, the application of mind. So, by the time you sit in the exam, the problems with the that you face in the exam will feel familiar. So, not because you have seen that exact question, but because you have seen that kind of thinking before. So that is one advantage to you. And another pillar what we mainly focus is on the what we have a dedicated check-in time, that as a one-to-one personal attention we can focus. So every institute they mention this one-to-one, but here is exactly what we do in the Lathore Academy. So every student will have a dedicated check-in time. So separate from the class time, that session we review your LMS data, your written mock test, and the performance, and the specific error patterns. So we will tell you exactly where you are losing marks and what will be costing it. So, and what to do about it in your next particular test. So this is not a group discussion. This is your time. So your questions, your weak areas, your plan, we will chalk out together. And one more pillar what I was mentioning was daily mock test through LMS. Every day you will have a timed digital test on the app. We have this learning management software called Edrevel, wherein these are like short, sharp, and designed to evaluate your gaps before they become a serious problem. So the data from these tests gives us feedback directly into your personal check-in. So whenever you come to the personal check-in, we will access your LMS data and we can point out where the student is actually missing out the point. So this is one of the important. Another important, apart from LMS data, we also conduct written mock test periodically. You have to sit in a full written test under exam-like conditions, pen, paper, and timer. So knowing the answer and being able to write the answer under pressure are two completely different things. So we train both. And another most important aspect that we focus in our every batch, the skeptical approach. So we don't accept information passively. So we want to develop this skeptical approach in every student. We ask, why is this true? What's the assumption behind it? Could this be wrong? Or the case study method fits directly into this habit. So when you analyze a case, you are already practicing skeptical mindset. So students who develop this habit consistently outperform those who don't. So these are the methodology to conduct classes for CA Foundation. So what we expect from students. So now for the system to work, I need specific things from students. So first thing, showing up mentally, not physically. Sitting in the classroom is not enough. Please remember this. Students, every session, we expect you to be an active participant. Ask questions. Push back on the case study. If something doesn't make sense, silence is not understanding. Clear? Second, engage with the case study seriously. Whenever we present a case scenario, we are not definitely giving you the answer straight away. We are giving you the situation. Your job is to reasoning through it. So students who treat case studies as an entertainment and copy the answers miss the entire point. Work the case study first, then compare. So use your one-on sessions fully. So that's another point. So whenever you come to us personal check-ins for the personal discussions, know your weak topics. Have questions ready with you. The 10-15 minutes which we give you individually are yours. So please consider this. And attempt every mock test seriously, not just for marks, for diagnosis. Please understand, a score out of 4 for 10 is honestly earned is more valuable than 9 you got out of 10 which you have guessed it. So no guessing, proper serious work is needed from your end. And also one important mistake is reviewing your mistakes before the next class. Every error in a mock test is a clue. Understand why you got it. Why you got it wrong. Write it down. Come with the questions. So this is how you will evolve. And consistency over intensity. Please understand, this course rewards daily engagement. 6 to 8 focused hours every day beats that person who is desperate all the night before the exam. So please be consistent with the performance and preparation. And be honest about where you are. This is a small group. Our batch is a small group. So the only person you hurt by pretending is yourself. So please ask questions. So if you have any doubt, you please ask us. Who is in the industry today, who is practicing today, once sat exactly where you are sitting today. So they did not have extraordinary intelligence. They did not have extra hours in a day. What they had was a decision, a quite firm decision that they would see this through, isn't it? So regardless how difficult the early weeks they feel. So CA Foundation is just the first gate. It is not the highest, but it is the fundamental, because it is the one that tells you, isn't it, to get into the course. So the students who clear CA Foundation in their first attempt are not the ones who are born ready. They are the ones who built a system and protected it, isn't it? So who showed up on the days that they did not feel like it, who asked the questions even if they feel embarrassed to ask, who treated every mock test as an information, not a judgment. So remember students, you are not enrolling to a coaching class. You are making a claim on your future. So we have built this system for that purpose only. 7 teaching pillars. So personal attention, study material support, case study based approach, skeptical mindset, daily LMS test, written mock test, and one-on-one personal attention. So the system is ready. The question is whether you are ready. So with this note, I encourage you to attend our demo classes. So feel free to ask any doubts. And if you have any questions, please get back to us. We will be very happy to help you out. So with this note, I would like to thank you for patiently listening, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.